Hello, Mike. Good evening. Hello, Mike. Good evening, Mike. Can you hear me? Hello, Mike. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Mike? Hello, Mike. Can you hear me?
Yes, hello, teacher.
Oh, yes, there you are. Okay, how are you?
I am happy.
Very good. What's the weather today, Mike?
What teacher?
What is the weather?
It's raining.
Rainy. Oh, all right. Is there some flood in your area? I'm
Yes.
sorry to hear that one. Are you affected by flood?
No.
No? Oh, well, that's nice because you're not. I've heard that there's some part area in Vietnam that has been greatly affected by flood. That's so sad because they don't have houses. Their things are gone by the flood. Anyway, for tonight, we are going to continue learning about past simple tenses. If you remember last Tuesday, I asked you to make sentences um, that are in past simple tenses. Okay, so this time, let's continue with exercise 2. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
By the way, do you have your book? Do you have your book, Mai? Do you have a book? Turn
Yes.
your book into page 16, Unit 2. Unit
Okay.
2, page 16. We are now in exercise 2. Grammar, reference, and practice. So this time, I want you to choose the correct words, Mai. Okay, look and circle your answer. Do you want an example?
No.
No. All right, now your turn.
I
Very good. I chose some new shoes for the party. 2.
um
I heard very good. 3. Enjoyed. Nice. 4. Amazing. 5.
mm,
Great job. Song. Sang. Very good. 6. Nice. 7.
Uh,
Then lastly, number 8.
no, 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 no. Yeah.
Wow, well done. So you got a perfect score of 8 out of 8. Congratulations, Mai. Nice. This time, I want you to look and read the sentences together with your answers. Look and read. Hello, Mai.
Yes.
I want you to look and read.
I choose. I choose some new
I
shoes.
chose, I want you to say,
I
I
chose.
chose.
I chose some new shoes for the party.
Very good.
I heard the new Harry Styles single.
Nice.
My sister and I enjoyed shopping last Saturday. Did you get any new clothes? He re- he read he read
Nice.
the
He read,
lyrics.
he read.
He he read the lyrics of the song before he sang them. I didn't meet your friend at the concert. When did you go shopping? We plan go to a concert in Hyde Park, but they canceled it.
Yes, thank you so much for reading that one, Mike. I want you to say canceled.
Cancel.
Very good. Okay, now let's move on with exercise 3. I want you to complete the sentences about you. Okay? Use the past simple positive or negative form of the verbs. Do you still remember positive and negative form of the verb? Okay. For
Yeah,
example, where. Okay, that's wore. That means didn't wear. Okay, this is the past simple, which is positive, and negative form of the verb. Didn't wear. Okay, so make sentences that are true to yourself. Okay, now your turn, my.
okay. I wore I wore jeans yesterday. I
I want you
didn't
to
wear.
write. Not yet. I want you to write your answer. For example, me. Okay, I didn't wear jeans yesterday because I wore dress yesterday. I wore dress yesterday, not jeans. So the true sentence is I didn't wear
I
jeans
didn't wear
yesterday.
jeans.
How about you, Mai? Did you wear jeans yesterday?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, then
No,
you say
no,
I wore.
no. I didn't.
So very good. So you say I didn't wear jeans yesterday. Okay, now number 2.
I give you.
Two. All right. Three.
Hey, no, no, got got teacher. No, got my teacher.
Correct. Okay, just continue
Yes.
writing.
Dưỡng có bánh tráng thôi, Dưỡng còn ăn cái bánh ngon nữa. Bánh tráng này con cho em mà.
What about number five? Oh, number four.
Yeah.
What's your answer?
My my family. Oh, uh,
What's your answer in number four? My family and I. Okay. Five. My best friend texted me this morning. Okay.
next.
Six.
Um, I don't know. Okay. Wait.
Very good. Are you ready to check your answer, Mai? Are you ready to check your answer?
Yes.
Okay, for number one, very good. I didn't wear. Number two, I got. Three, I buy. My parents buy. Okay, so did nice try, my. So four, my family and I watch. Nice try. Five, my best friend texted me this morning. Nice try. We went very good. That's correct. So we went is correct. Okay, number seven, I had nice. And number eight, I saw.
Saw.
All right, so very good. Saw. So with W in it. Very good, Mai. Okay, now I want you. Say, oh, hello, Sarah. It's good that you joined. All
Teacher
right.
năm.
So, okay.
No, no, no,
So
no.
this time, Sarah, I want you to correct my wrong answers. So my got 5 out of 8 here. So she has 3 wrong answers. Can you correct her answer, Sarah? Yeah? Are you there, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to correct my answer in number 3, 4, and 5.
Một số sáu á.
Look, he said, my parents buy the clothes I'm
Ừ.
wearing. Oh, later, I will be the one to correct it for you. So, Sarah, I want
Yes.
you to look at exercise 3. We are in page 16. Turn your book into page 16, unit 2. Can you follow, Sarah?
Oh,
Okay. We are now in exercise 3. Complete the
okay.
sentences that are true about yourself, Sarah. You use the past simple. It could be positive or negative form of the verbs. Now, Mai, I want you to read your answers. Look and read Mai.
Okay.
Number 1.
I I did I didn't wear jeans yesterday. I got
Very good.
clothes for my last birthday.
Nice.
I read my answer.
Okay. 4.
My parents buy the clothes I am wearing. My family and I what? Uh, bye bye.
What
What?
TV lesson?
What?
Okay.
What? Hmm. My best friend texted me this morning. We went shopping last weekend. I had a music lesson last week. I saw my friend last weekend.
Very good. So for this one, Mai, you got 5 out of 8.
Hey,
Okay. So nice try. Your turn, Sarah. I want you to
mm,
make sentences that are true about yourself.
I didn't wear jeans yesterday. I
Very good.
got clothes for my last birthday. My parents bought me the clothes, but clothes I'm wearing. My family and I watched TV last night. My best friend texted me this morning. We went shopping last weekend. I had a music lesson. Uh, I saw I saw my friend last weekend.
Very good. Okay, so nice. Thank you for that one, Sarah. So, Sarah, I want you to write or spell your answer in number 5. How do you spell watch? W A.
Texted.
That's right. Very good. So, let us correct your answers. For number 5, we have by, past simple, but. Watch, watch, then just add ed. Watch. Sarah and this is text. Then we have, just add ed. Texted. Okay. So for Sarah, you got 6 out of 8. Nice. So do you have any questions about exercise 8? questions? Do you have any questions, Sarah and Mike? I think you don't have questions, right? So now let's move on with exercise 4. Are you still there, Mai and Sarah?
Yes.
All right. Now you are going to complete the conversation with the past simple form of the verbs. Okay, now this is Mai and this is Sarah. First, I want you to write your answer on the screen. Then we will practice later. Okay? I will give you 1 minute to write your answer. Again, this is Mai and this is Sarah.
Hey.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, write your answers on the screen.
Có gì tôi có nói đâu. Hey, where
I want you to write your answers, Mai and Sarah. You have one
Simple
minute.
past?
Yes, please write your
Hey,
answers.
ủa bạn không có gì đâu. Hey, where did you get that pizza? It is very, it's one very, very cool.
Your turn, Sarah.
Okay, my brother gave it to me for my birthday. Very like it. Where did he find it?
Your turn, Sarah.
Well, he not found it exactly. He designed it.
Your turn, Mai.
Really? How did he that? He used it app for Udemy on his phone. He took a photo and then add the colors and writing. He sh- he showed me the app. It's really cool. Wow, I didn't know you could do that. Can you show me the app?
Very good. Well, thank you so much for your answers, Mai and Sarah. So, Sarah, actually, your Mai got a perfect score. That's 5 out of 5. But for Sarah, you got 4 out of 5. Because what is the answer here? This is he not find. This is he didn't find. All right. So that is the past. A simple tense of the verb not find. That is actually in negative form. Okay. Now, this time, I want you to look at the conversation. All right. So look, what is the app called? Look at the conversation, listen and answer. What is the app called?
What is the app called? Hello, teacher.
What is the app called? Look at the
This is
conversation.
this is app called Udemy.
Yes, very good. You time. Nice, Mai. Okay, now let us move on with exercise 5. I want you to make questions about last weekend. For example, okay, look what you do last weekend. So the answer is, what did you do last weekend? You go shopping. Did you go shopping? Okay, that's how you're going to do it. You're going to rearrange the questions and make it into a past simple question. All right?
Yes.
Now your turn, Sarah. Number 1.
Hmm. Which friends did you meet?
Very good. 2.
Mm,
Did,
mm,
did
Did
you
you play any
Y-
sport?
Nice, Mai. Sarah,
okay,
3.
teacher?
What
Very good, Mai. You got it correct. Did you play any sports? That's correct. Now your turn, Sarah.
what film did you watch on TV?
Nice. Okay, now your turn, Mai.
Did you go to bed late?
Well done. Wow, Sarah and Mai, you got a perfect score of 4 out of 4. Congratulations. Now, this time, I want you to ask each other only 2 questions. Mai, I want you to ask Sarah 2 questions only from here. Okay, now your turn, Mai.
Uh, did you go to bed late?
No, no, no. Ask questions that are here, Mai. For example, what did you do last weekend? We went to London. Did you go shopping? Yes, we did. Like that. So you're going to ask questions.
Okay. Where did you go last week?
Um, we went to Thailand.
Wow,
Mm,
nice.
did you go eat with your family?
Yes. Yes, I go to restaurant to eat food.
All right. I went to the restaurant to eat food. Okay, so thank you so much for your participation, Mai and Sarah. It's already time. We will practice more next week. Okay, Mai, you are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Just be on time next time because you are 2 minutes late. Sarah, you were very late. So be on time next time. Okay, like the uh join the Zoom 2 minutes before the time. All right? Okay.
Okay.
So see you next week and have a good night. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.